So my buddy Mike over at Rat's Nest thought it might be interesting for me to show you how I'm about to build a piston ring filer out of a bunch of crap in my shop because I'm too cheap to buy one. So I've dug into my crap and found some old truck part, some bolts, a wheel, some nuts and washers, and let me get a little bit further and we'll check back in. We're going to do a little modification to this piece. So we're laying out the holes about an inch down on the back side. Don't have my drill press, so I'm going to have to freehand these. Now we got both holes drilled. See how she fits. Oh, we got arbor. Very nice. It's my friend Spike. He's going to be a handle. Alright, well, we're firing up the welder now. See if we can't make the handle. It's part 2. We tack the handle, or what will be the handle. Now we're going to side it and straighten it out before we tack the other side. There, we welded it. Now we've bent a little crank in the end of it. Now we're going to create some sort of slip so that your fingers don't wear out while you're grinding. Now we can start assembly, first mock assembly, to get everything lined up. Okay, we got the mechanism in. Lock washers, got it centered, turning nicely. Now we're going to secure the box. Weld these plates on. Now we got it raised up in the air. All we gotta do is add the points and clean it up. Alright, there you go. It's finished. Stops welded in to make it perfectly square. Lubed it up with a little assembly lube. I'm not gonna grind this one. But flows nice and smooth. It's like downtown. And that is my homemade piston ring sizing gap grinder. What do you think? Finished product. You see the points hold the ring perfectly square to the blade. And you just hold it in there and crank it. File it down nice and neat. Nice and smooth. Free. And that is a homemade piston ring filer. Compliments of Rusty Nuts.